Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, I want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family today. We are exploring one of the most serene and luxurious trends in modern architecture, the minimalist indoor-outdoor bathroom. Imagine starting your day with a warm shower while a gentle breeze rustles through nearby leaves. Or soaking in a tub under the soft glow of the stars, all while maintaining this sleek, clutter-free aesthetic of minimalism. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how you can merge this sanctuary of your bathroom with the beauty of the natural world to create a private oasis that feels like a 5-star spa. The concept of a minimalist indoor-outdoor bathroom is rooted in the philosophy of less is more combined with biophilic design. It is a space that deliberately blurs the physical boundaries between the interior of the home and the exterior environment. In a minimalist context, this means using clean lines, a neutral color palette, and high-quality natural materials to create a seamless transition. It isn't just about putting a tub outside. It's about architectural intentionality using large glass panes, retractable walls, or open-air courtyards to invite sunlight, fresh air, and greenery into your most private rituals without the distraction of unnecessary ornamentation. Embracing this design style offers profound benefits for both your physical well-being and your mental clarity. By stripping away the visual noise typical of traditional bathrooms and replacing it with natural views, you create a powerful reset space that reduces stress and anxiety. The abundance of natural light helps regulate your circadian rhythm, making your morning routine more energizing and your evening soak more restorative. Furthermore, increased ventilation provided by an outdoor connection naturally prevents the buildup of mold and humidity, keeping the air fresh and the environment healthy. Beyond the psychological perks, this design significantly increases the perceived square footage of your home, making even a small bathroom feel expansive and high-end. Decorating a minimalist indoor-outdoor bathroom requires a curated rather than decorated approach. To make the space look truly professional, focus on the harmony of textures rather than a collection of objects. Start with a monochromatic base. Think soft grays, warm beiges, or matte white sand. Let the green of the plants provide the primary pop of color. Use hidden storage to keep counters completely clear, and choose fixtures with slim architectural profiles in finishes like brushed nickel or matte black. To bridge the gap between inside and out, use consistent flooring materials, such as large format stone tiles that extend from the shower area out onto the garden patio. Lighting should be subtle. Recessed floor lights or hidden LED strips can highlight the texture of an exterior stone wall without cluttering the ceiling. When it comes to selecting a specific style for your minimalist indoor-outdoor bathroom, 3 directions stand out as the most effective. The first is Japandi, which blends Japanese functionalism with Scandinavian warmth, utilizing light woods and bamboo screens to create a Zen atmosphere. Another popular choice is modern tropical, which leans into lush greenery, raw concrete surfaces, and oversized rain shower heads to mimic a luxury rainforest retreat. Finally, the desert minimalist style is perfect for those in drier climates, focusing on earthy terracotta tones, gravel flooring, and drought-resistant succulents to create a sun-drenched, ruggedly beautiful space. Each of these styles prioritizes the raw beauty of the environment over synthetic decor, ensuring your bathroom remains timeless. Creating a minimalist indoor-outdoor bathroom is more than just a home improvement project. It's a commitment to a slower, more intentional way of living. It's about recognizing that the best decor isn't something you buy at a store, but the way the sunlight hits a stone wall or the sound of rain during a bath. While it requires careful planning regarding privacy and climate, The result is a breathtaking sanctuary that provides a daily escape from the hectic world outside. If you enjoyed this deep dive into minimalist design, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home inspiration. Which style did you prefer? The lush tropical look or the peaceful Japandi vibe? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a transformation. And we'll see you in the next video.